if you truly believe in what we have been doing, that Iyom has put together, please, can I have you upstanding and with a very resounding, loud round of applause to welcome her to speak to us. Iyom Josephine Anenih, NNI, the icon of our time. Bless you.
Okay. To God alone be all the glory. I thank God for today. I thank God for everybody that is here today. And I thank God for what has happened in this country today. Our mother of the day, Dame Timi Agari, PhD, Mama Amnesty, Mama Labor, Mama Peace. I thank you very, very much for your support, for your coming here very early and sitting throughout. My God and our God will bless you, strengthen you, prolong your life so that you can be of continuous service to us and to humanity. My own sister, very dear sister. Some people may think our relationship is political. It is more than that. We just happen to be in the same political party. But we don't even discuss politics. We discuss about ourselves. We discuss women. We discuss Nigeria. And we love ourselves. When we are together, we don't know whether she's Hausa and Muslim and I'm Igbo and Christian. All we know is that we are friends and we are blood sisters. When I come to Abuja, I don't have anywhere to sleep. I go to her house. If her guest house is occupied, she will leave her room. Yes. That's to tell you how close we are. So I thank you. She came here even before the time that was stipulated to see what she can do to help. And she has stayed all through. My other sister that I call my president, the president of, former president of National Council of Women's Society, Ajia Zainab, Minor, they came together, but she had to go for a medical appointment. So I want to thank her. I want to thank Nemo. She arrived with her troop by 4 a.m. yesterday. Traveling by road. It is only passion and love for the nation that can make her take that risk and take that journey to come and be with us. That was why you saw her coming a bit late. I want to thank my own, I have two blood sisters. One from Edo State. I never knew that she was from Edo State. I thought she was an Igbo girl. We grew up together. We went into Queen's College on the same day. And we left Queen's College the same day. And all those 5 years, we were in the same dormitory, doing everything. I didn't know that Gladys Uwanikehi, who is now Dr. Gladys Makochu, is not an Igbo girl. we spoke Igbo together, Abi? From day one until we left. I'm sure she didn't know what part of Igbo I came from. And when we go to Enugu, I go to their house. The whole family, because they lived in Enugu. So her mother, her sister, Queensley, everybody spoke Igbo. So we were all just one family of Igbo people. It was after the war, when they had destroyed and partitioned our country, that we started knowing the difference, that we are different. Before then, we didn't know we were different. I have another blood sister. We went to the same school together. She's Chief Mercy Agbamuche. She has been with me throughout even preparation of this journey, this conference. While we were here all night yesterday, she sat through. Mercy, I thank you very much. I want to thank a very special woman who has been of great support to this mission. A very humble, self-effacing, generous, kind woman. She is now the chairman of Iyom Igbo in the diaspora. She's the board of trustee chairman of Iyom Igbo from diaspora. She just went back to America like 2 weeks ago. But because of this, she came back to be part of this meeting. And she's here. Her Excellency. You are shining there. Very humble and self-effacing. Her Excellency, Stella Ojife, Esquire, former Deputy Governor of Anambra State. I want to thank you for your support, moral, spiritual, and financial support. My God will enlarge your coast. I want to thank one exceptional woman. I can't find her. But you've been seeing her going up and down. When you see her, you think she's an Oyibo woman. But she is for Imo State. Ambassador Nonye Rajis Okpara, former ambassador to Singapore. Without her, leg work, hand work, brain work, everything, I don't think we would have been here today. And a round of applause for her. And she had another sister that both of them vowed, even when everybody thought that this thing cannot happen. How can you have a national, Igbo women have a national conference? How can? How? Two of them took an oath. They vowed that it must happen. And her sister in this job, in this journey, the two conspirators, even when I want to flag and say, don't you think we should cancel? They say, never. Ned Ogazechi, editorial board of the nation, I want to thank you very much. So these two, you must take your flowers. These two they did all this. They did all this single-handedly. I want to thank you. I want to thank you. And God will thank you for me. And Nigerian women will thank you. Yes. Thank you very much. Now, when they were, every occasion must have an MC. and they were saying, who will be MC? I said, leave matter of MC. I have a natural, superlative woman who understands where I am coming from, who understands my vision. So we are not just looking for an MC. I'm looking for somebody who can stand on this podium and, transmit what is in my mind. And there is no other person in this world than Chief Moji Makanjuola, MFR, veteran broadcaster, matriarch of broadcasting. It's not the MCO. She not come here do MCO. She came here to be able to speak because I not speak English. And I told her, now you go speak the English for me. Then you can find MC. Now you go collect in Peking, Claire, Adelabu to do the MC. And Richard to do the MC. Now, come now. So they are the ones that did MC. Mama, she's from Umbise, marry Yoruba man. In Papa na Christian, no, in husband na Muslim. That's why she's wearing mayafi. You see, this is Nigeria. Typical Nigeria. This is how we are supposed to be. Do you understand? No division about religion or ethnicity. This is a typical Nigeria. I want to thank all of you. You have done so well. Thank you very much. And you saw all the our speakers that came. I want to salute all of them in absentia. By their coming, they made a very big national statement that they know the truth and they will stand by the truth. And what is the truth? The truth is that this country has been limping on one leg. And it is time to put down the other leg so that they can walk and possibly run to the destination God has destined for this country. And the men that came here today are no mean personalities. And I'm happy everybody heard what they said. I want to thank all of them, starting from the Deputy Speaker of the House of Representatives, Right Honorable Benjamin Kalu, right through to the Ala-Igbo, to Chief Simon Okeke, to Senator Abaribe, Enyinaya Abaribe, Mmaga Ndị Igbo, to Labaran, His Excellency Labaran Maku, to Chidoka Osita, to His Excellency Rochas Okorocha, to Senator Ndi Obi Ojeli Igbo niile, to Senator Dino Malaye, to, you saw the men, to Senator, former President Anyim Pius Anyim, to our father, 97-year-old Chief Senator Dr. Edwin Clark, CFR, all of them supporting Nigerian women, not just Nkatandi Iyom Igbo, not just Nkatandi Iyom Igbo, but they saw this as a Nigerian women's program. It belongs to every Nigerian woman. For the Khalifa himself Khalifa himself, Mohamedu Sanusi, Sarkin Kano, to come here and sit for hours and speak to us, shows that Nigerian men respect Nigerian women. So they didn't come just because Igbo women called. He saw that Igbo women are calling their sisters from across Nigeria, that this is a pan-Nigerian project, and that we are not doing political demarcation that they use to divide us. That the women have risen, Nigerian women have risen and taken the bull by the horn to say we must unite. We must do what? Unite. We must bring peace back to this country. We must bring safety, security back to this country. So this is the beginning. And it is a clarion call to every woman who is a woman. If you are a daughter, a sister, a wife, what in any category, as long as you're a woman, from every nook and cranny of Nigeria, we have work to do. Because God will ask us when we get there, what did we do? He created us and said, go and be a helpmeet for the man. Are we helping the men? That's what he will ask you. So the men have done their own. We will do our own. We help them to build a united, prosperous, peaceful country called Nigeria. At Iyom Igbo, from inception, even though it's a women's organization, we have a board of trustees that is made up of only men. Our chairman board of advisors that is made up of only men. Our chairman board of advisors is Professor Bat Nnaj. We have Igwe, His Royal Highness, Igwe Ambassador Lawrence Agubuzu as a member. We have young men like Dike Chukwumerije as members. We have people like Patrick Okibo III as member of our board of trustees. We have General Abel Umahi as a member of our board of advisors. So from inception, Iyom Igbo knows that we cannot run it alone. The men have been doing it alone. We are starting our own. We are going to run on two legs. So we have a board of trustees and a board of advisors. Our chairman board of trustees is Her Excellency, Madam Regina Amadin Joko. And we have eminent other women like Justice Ukeje, Rose Ukeje, Professor Joy Ezilo, SAN. Those are our members of our board of trustees and many more. And we have our own Dr. Grace Okudo, retired Assistant Inspector General of Police, as a member of our board of trustees. And she has been here since morning. So what are we saying? We have big work to do, Nigerian women. So we must hold hands across the Niger. And hold my sister in the northeast. You hold the one in the northwest. She holds the one in the southwest. I saw southwest. So Lujimi, we hold hands together. We must salvage Nigeria. We must. It's a mission that we must accomplish. God will be with us. I want to thank every woman that is here. Members of Ohaneze Ndigbo Women's Swing, I salute you. 100 Women's Club, I salute you. NCWS, una dey there. So many of you. Where will I start? If I continue thanking, we will be here till daybreak. Nkobi fi melum chigeji chigabo. Tigeji chigabo. Tigeji chigabo. Nkobi ho mere mo chigeji chigabo. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. I will not end this without thanking the press. The press has been wonderful. Pre-event, during event, and we are like, that's what, is this, which one you give, we ask for more, silence, Oliver Twist. Like Oliver Twist, we are asking post-event. Media, press, they could not forget also, carry this matter to the farthest end of the world. Abi? And then, to Njenje. Thank you very much. All the crew members. DJ, thank you. Thank you. I want to leave, the last word will be, by the time, don't go, because there is one message that I want you people to hear and carry. That is the message that I want you to listen to the song and the message of the women's anthem. But before then, come and greet them. Do your vote of thanks. Do Nkata vote of thanks. This one is my personal vote of thanks.
In the heart of the city where stories unfold, Gentle Media TV shining bright and bold, bringing news from the corners of the globe, connects us together, no matter the road.